Okay, hello guys. In today's video, we're talking about Opay app review. I'll be reviewing the Opay app. I'll be showing you exactly the main things you can be doing with the Opay app in the comfort of your own, using only the app. So watch me as I walk through the Opay app reviews. The first thing we are going to do is how to get your Opay account number. Number two, how to pay how to buy airtime and data on the Opay app. Number 3. How to make money on the Opay app. Number 4. How to invest your money in the Opay bank and get percentage interest on your investment. Number 5. How to get your Opay debit card for free. Number 6. How to get Opay POS machine. Number 7. Opay deposit limit. Number 8. Opay customer services. So stay with me as I walk you through exactly how to do these things on the Opay app. So what you're going to do is open your Opay app like I'm doing right now, logging into my Opay account. Okay, after logging in, the first thing is how to get your Opay account number. So what you're going to do when you get to this interface on the Opay app, go to the button down where it says me. Click on me and it's going to show you a page that looks like this. Click on where it says pay me. When you click on where it says pay me, you're going to see something that looks like this. Now my own account, pay me account, is 611391061. This is your unique Opay account number, and as you can see, it's not your full number, which is the normal Opay account number everybody knows, but this one is a secret number that you have, a unique number dedicated to only your Opay account, that you can receive money from any place, from any bank to your Opay account using your Opay account number. So this is your Opay account number. Then the second thing we are going to go through is how to buy airtime and data on the Opay app. So go back to your home page, click on the down button where it says home. Go to your home page. You will see the first two options, airtime and data. Let's click on airtime. For example, this is my MTN. If you want to select the networks you want to pay, go to where it says networks. This is Airtel, MTN, Glo, and 9 Mobile. So if I want to recharge on my MTN line, I'm going to click MTN and it will show me my phone number because I've entered it before. So I'm going to click how much I want to recharge with my airtime. So I'm going to click 100 naira, for example, in this video. So when I click this, I'm going to click select where I will get my money from, where I'm going to use, if it's from my balance or from my cashback. So right now I'm using my cashback, that's why I turn off this. So let me click on pay and I'm going to put my pin. After putting my pin, I can see the transaction is successful. It says successful, and now my MTN line has been recharged 100 naira from Opay. It says successful, so I'm going to click done. Then the third thing we're going to do is how to make money on the Opay app. As you check, if you want to buy data, it's also the same thing, because when you click buy data, it will also bring it to this place where you select your MTN, Airtel, or any network you're using, and you're going to click pay, and it will pay your data directly to your network, either MTN or data. So how to make money on the Opay app. Number 3, what you do is anytime you buy airtime, like I just did now, let's check, like I just did now, you can see it says if you want to pay 50 naira to your MTN account, you're going to get in 1 naira 50 kobo cashback. If you're recharging with 100 naira, you're going to be getting 3 naira. If you're recharging 200 naira, you're going to be getting 6 naira, and it goes on. 2000 naira goes for 60 naira, and with this Airtel it's even more. Let's check Airtel. Okay, it's almost the same thing. But how about when you're buying data? Let's see how much cashback you can be getting. If you're buying data, you can see if you're buying data worth 3,500, you'll be getting 105 naira cashback. If you're buying data worth 5,000 naira, you'll be getting 150 naira cash back. If you're buying data worth 2,000 naira, you'll be getting 60 naira cash back. So that's how you can make money on the Opay app without referring people. Now, if you get people that you can be sending airtime to, or you can be selling a recharge card to, while you sell recharge card to people and make money from that, you can also get cashbacks that over time they will come together and give you money. If you check my cashback rewards here, I have over 2,900 naira in my cashback rewards, which means you can make money, huge amount of money, just by selling recharge card and data on the Opay account, on the Opay app. So the first thing we're going to be looking at is how to invest your money in the Opay bank and get percentage interest on your investment. So let's go to where it says finance, and here is where you can invest money. Wallet balance, you can put money in your wallet and you get interest on it. Okay, so there are several things you can do here: savings reports, wallet balance, wealth, target, save box, fixed, spend and save. So here you can invest your money. It says you can deposit this amount in wealth and earn daily interest. That means if you deposit some money here, you'll be earning daily interest on any amount of money you put here, and a daily interest on any amount of money you deposit into your Opay account. So that's how you can make money on the Opay account, just by investing your money, just by making deposits and keeping your money in the Opay account. You can make money from that. So let's go over to the next thing, number 5, how to get Opay debit card for free. So let's go down back to home again. When you come to this interface, click on where it says cards at the bottom of the Opay homepage. Click on where it says card, and what's going to happen here is Opay is going to show you many ways you can get your card. You can either click for home delivery, where the Opay will send you the card, deliver it directly to your address, or you pick from a nearby merchant. If I click on pick from a nearby merchant, you will see it's going to show me list of nearby merchants that are closer to my location, where I can go directly to their shops, to their business centers, to their offices to get my Opay card and link it directly to my account. So let me click on that and show you people that are nearer to me where I am right now in my location. Okay, so you can see it's showing me like different vendors of Opay cards where I can go to call them. You can see it even puts call. That means their phone number is there. I can actually call them and ask them where can I come to get my Opay card, and they would send me their address where I can go to them, go to their shops, their offices, their business places to get my Opay account. And as you can see, I actually know this person. This person is actually someone I know that stays nearby me, and Opay is bringing her out so that I can call her or go to her place to get my Opay card. That's easy as that. The next thing, number 6, how to get Opay POS machine. This one, you will have to register for an Opay business account. When you have an Opay business account, then you can apply to get your Opay POS machine, and they will give it to you or send it to you and all of that. The next thing is Opay deposit limit. Okay, when you register your Opay account, you'll be asked to do several things. Putting in your BVN, which is the number one thing you must do. Then link it to your national ID card or any government issued ID card. That will actually increase your level of trust, how Opay will trust you and give you higher license. So if you can check my profile right here, I am on tier 2. That means I can still upgrade to tier 3 by adding my government issued ID card to this place. And currently, let me check and show you, it says tier 2 current limits, daily transaction limits. I can only make a transaction of 200,000 naira every day. Anything above that, I cannot do it until I verify my ID card. And the maximum account balance that I can hold in my account as an Opay account holder is 500,000 naira. So look at what it says, upgrade to tier 3. That means from here I can upgrade to tier 3 by adding my ID card. And I can also upgrade from here to merchants, where I can apply as an Opay business, as an Opay merchant, where I can get my Opay POS machine and run Opay as a business, full business on my own. So that's how you can upgrade. I'll check your transaction limit on the Opay account. The last thing we're going to be looking at, and not the least, is Opay customer services. So let's go back to the home page once again and click on where it says okay, where it says refer and earn. Okay, there's where it says me, and you can see where it says support. Click on support. Yeah, this is self-services, Opay customer services, where you can call or make office address, customer service address center. Click on this. You can see these are places. If you have any problem with your Opay account, you can go directly to these places to seek for advice or check things to do. Abuja office, Lagos office, Abeokuta, Ibadan, Jos, Kaduna, Kano, and other places. You can also send them a message directly online where they can reach out to you. You can do that by checking the things, the problems you have. Do you have a transfer dispute? You can do it here. Is it a login problem? You can do it on the second. This is where it says self-service. If it's a payment thing, you can click on this and do. Is it a pay me account? Click on your pay me account to see what happens here. Yes, this is number one. Customer was debited for failed transactions. If you click on this, it will show you the things to do if your customer was debited for failed transactions. Go back. Number two, you say failure to receive payments. Click on that and check. It will show you, each of these things will show you different things you can do when you run into the problems like this. Question number one, I cannot see the decline and accept button in the details of the pending transactions. What should I do? This is how to solve that problem. Solution. See, generally, it is caused by the low version. Please upgrade to the latest version. That's the answer to that. The second thing is another question, and the solution is there also for it. And number three, failure to receive voice notification. If you click on it, it should also show you how to go around that. Number four, failure to auto print receipts. It will also show you what to do about that. So that's it about this video. If you enjoy my content so far, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification, and YouTube will give you every video that I post on my channel that will help you.